Hey friends, this is Megan from Solon Public Library with a quick tutorial here on using READsquared for the summer reading program. If you are using READsquared on the website, you can get there by visiting our website, solon.lib.ia.us. And then you can click on this summer reading button or on the summer reading picture in the carousel and get to the summer reading page. From there, you'll see there is a link in the description of summer reading where you can visit us on READsquared. So that's just soloniowa.readsquared.com. Or on your like smartphone or smart tablet, you could download the READsquared app. So once you're on that website in READsquared and you get logged in, you'll have your home screen. So here's mine showing. And for recording and secret code for attending a library event or for doing an activity at the library, you'll want to be able to log those secret codes, and that's under the event code button. So right here on the home page, I'll just click right there. I can select who in my family attended that event, and I can type that code in right here. And when you're done, you can just click submit and that will be recorded. When you are logging your minutes or books read, that'll be under the button that just says log. You can click right on there. And as an adult, I'm just logging books, so I can click right on that, enter the title and author that I finished, and submit that. And then when I am ready to use my points to purchase raffle tickets, which is the entries into the grand prize drawing, I'll just go to the raffle button. And when I get to that screen here, it's just going to show me all of those grand prize options. You can kind of get some details on everything. And then I will just do the get tickets. And then it shows you how many points you have available and that you can buy those tickets to enter for your chances to win. It does look a little bit different in the app, but same idea. They use some little images for those buttons where log, it looks like a little pencil. Event code looks like a calendar, and the raffle is those intersecting arrows. So once you get in there and you're working on that, if you have any questions, be sure to let us know, and we're happy to give you a hand with that. Happy reading.